AI is changing how we approach content writing. From generating ideas to refining drafts, AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude can be really supportive in the writing process. But let's get one thing straight. AI is a tool, not a replacement for human creativity and insight. Let's say you're making a protein smoothie. This blender, it's a lot like AI. It's efficient, fast, and gets the job done with minimal effort. But when it comes to defining your recipe, picking out your ingredients and measuring them out, it's really not that much help. Just like in content writing, AI can help you draft your content quickly, but it can't infuse it with the same authenticity, empathy, and creativity that a human being brings to the table. It's the human element, the storytelling, perspective, and expertise that makes your content truly resonate. So think of AI as your helpful sidekick. With the right prompts, it can act as a great starting point, leaving you more time to focus on what you do best, running your business. And remember, AI isn't the only tool here to support you. At Paragon Marketing Group, our team is dedicated to helping you with all your content marketing needs. Together, we can create impactful, engaging content that truly resonates with your audience.